For Joe and the many who live and study here in what's known as the Lake Wales Ridge, this area is rich in biodiversity, creating the ideal location to observe the corridor and the wildlife that depend on it.
You know where we are, right, Joe?
I know where we are, kind of on this nice edge. You often find that some of the critters will use that edge to travel.
So this is our spot.
This is our spot.
Joe uses camera traps or trail cams to visually observe wildlife here at Archibald.
What, your field of view is somewhere in here, right? So
Yeah.
you're a little limited as to what you're going to see.
Very limited.
Over the last few weeks, he's been installing audio devices to every camera as part of a study that has the potential to drastically increase the amount of species observed.
In order to be able to detect more species, we're using acoustic devices that are listening, all that are functioning as the ears.
Once everything is out installed in the field, all of that data will be streaming in, and that's when the real magic happens. That's when we can start to analyze the data that's coming in and understand the population dynamics and understand what's happening in the corridor.
Hear crows over here, there's a scrub jay over here.
Yeah, all going into this box. Stuff you would never see, but now we can hear it.
Yeah.
We're using different machine learning algorithms to try and automatically identify species, learning every time you hear an owl, this is what an owl sounds like, and eventually is able to pick up what species of owl is calling at that time.